Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick YouTube video on how to activate your Windows to Windows Pro 11, Windows 10, whatever OS system you have. I recently upgraded to a new motherboard and CPU, which required me to get a new CD key. So as you can see here, I have the Activate Windows watermark. So the website that I use was PremiumCDKeys. This is usually where I get most of them, and I usually get they're usually pretty cheap. So whenever you can just search it up. Windows 11 Pro. I went ahead with the Windows 11 Professional OEM key. Now whenever I first recorded this, I forgot to mention, whenever you're searching up for your CD key, make sure that you're buying the CD key that correlates with whatever OS system you downloaded. For example, if you have Windows 11, make sure to buy, or Windows 11 Home, make sure to buy the Windows 11 Home CD key. If you have Windows 11 Pro, make sure to buy the CD key that corresponds to it. Same thing with Windows 10 or whatever. And if you're not sure which OS system that you have, you can go into your settings, go into System, go down into Activation, and it should say right here which OS system you have. When I first logged on, there's only the options for these countries. There's no US option, so I just chose English and changed the currency to USD. And then I added it to my cart, and then proceeded to payment. Now, whenever I did my payment, I input all my credit card information, and then changed my billing address. And then it had me do like a verification. But after you do the verification, I can show you the email where I got the confirmation. This is a confirmation order. Got the premium CD keys, and then I got the key. So you're just gonna go ahead and copy and paste it. You're gonna go open up your settings, go into System, scroll down to Activation, and then you're gonna see here, no activation state is not active. And you're gonna go ahead and click change product key, for me because I couldn't find my previous product key, or add a new product key. Just gonna copy and paste it. Next, activate Windows. You're gonna have to give it a moment, and then Windows is activated, and that's all there is to it. I hope this helps.